How to dispute a transaction. Bendigo Bank. At first, review your bank statement or online banking platform to identify the transaction you want to dispute. Then reach out to Bendigo Bank's customer service as soon as possible. You can do this by calling their customer service number or visiting a branch in person. After that, explain the transaction you are disputing and provide any relevant details such as the date of the transaction, the amount, and why you believe it is incorrect or fraudulent. Bendigo Bank may ask you to provide additional documentation to support your dispute, such as receipts, invoices, or screenshot. Stay in contact with Bendigo Bank to track the progress of your dispute. They should provide updates on the investigation and resolution of the matter. Once the dispute is resolved, Bendigo Bank will notify you of the outcome. Thanks for watching.